Ladies and gentlemen, this is the G8 Galileo wireless mobile games controller from GameSir. This was kindly sent in by GameSir for review. Let's get into it. And the unboxing, the unveiling, a box of instructions and cables, I'm almost certain. Yes. A USB-A to USB-C cable, an instruction booklet, warranty cards and leaflets and stickers. And let's get this out of the box and let's have a look at it. Look at this lovely little handheld device here that expands. What's it for, you might ask? Well, first of all, let's just have a look at the controls. So the controls are nice and easy, good feel to the buttons. It's a solid grip, nice rubberized control sticks. So there's a spring-loaded slide on this so that you can put your phone in here, you can put your iPad in here and various other devices. I've got a Nintendo Switch, which I quite enjoy using with this. There's buttons on the back, there's buttons on the top here. So the push button here, and then variable controls, so throttle control, for instance, brake control, again a push button here. The normal plus and minus buttons on the top here for menus and functions. Your standard D-pad control, your standard array of 4 push buttons at the top here, a connection button which is backlit, some function buttons at the bottom here, so you've got the ability to be able to change between different types of gaming systems. And there are multiple Bluetooth connections with this, so yeah, that's what I should mention, is this ultimately is a Bluetooth controller. And as soon as you slide it open, you may notice that the device automatically turns on and starts trying to connect to whatever you're trying to put into the clamps. The clamps are quite interesting in the sense they have a rubberized grip in the sides of both clamps here, so it holds your phone or whatever device you've put in here quite firmly. Let's connect it up to a Nintendo Switch, and that's what it looks like with a Nintendo Switch installed in the middle of it. Again, a solid little beast that holds the Nintendo Switch in place quite happily with its own pressure from the spring-loaded slide. And yeah, that's all quite good. I mean, the Switch is quite heavy, but this all feels, it just feels nice. It feels professional. It feels solid. So the thing that I really like about this, the controls are easily accessed. You can just pop these little covers off, these little faceplates off. So there are magnetic connectors in the faceplate, which gives you the ability to be able to pop that off and on, and it just slides in and sits in place again. It's really easy to pull apart and change out the controls on the device. The controls just pop off. So what I really like about this is there are Hall effect sensors in the joysticks, which ultimately means you do not get stick drift. A lot of the resistive devices that use sliding potentiometers end up with stick drift and need to be recalibrated, and sometimes you can't fix them, you have to replace them. These are Hall effect sensors, so they're contactless, and they work by using magnetic fields instead of mechanical components that slide together, creating resistance. So these are really nice little joysticks. Got a variety of different joystick types that come with it. So if you want something a little bit lower, you can see here this mushroom is a little bit lower than this mushroom, a slightly smaller head on it. This one's got a tiny little head on it. Again, it depends really on how you like to play and what feels comfortable in your thumb. I'm actually quite happy with the standard sticks in here, so I'm going to go ahead and fit that standard stick. And there it is. It's just a case of popping it in and then bonk. There we go. Just drop that cover back in place. And that's the case for both sides of the unit here. We now have Minecraft loaded up, so I'll just turn the music volume down ever so slightly there. And apologies if you can see a strip light in the reflection. That's the kitchen lighting. Right, let's fit the iPad in here. If your eyes are poor like mine, then having an iPad with a nice big screen on it really does make sense. The setup is really simple. Again, just slide it open, slide your device in there, and assuming you've connected your device to it once before, it's memorized that device and it's ready to connect to your device quickly and easily. Straight away we can see here that all of the controls are working and everything's looking good. How does Minecraft feel while playing this? Let's have a little wander around in Minecraft. Oh yeah, look at that. Straight away. Nice, easy controls. Gentle movements, nice slow movements. fast movements. Yeah, probably making everybody feel sick by spinning that around. But yeah, that's beautiful, smooth control. That is actually really quite pleasant. And, oh, what's this then? Oh, look at that. We've got sheep and cows. Welcome to Minecraft on an iPad mini. That is actually really quite beautiful, though. It's just lovely and smooth and nice and relaxing to play, and it feels comfortable in the hands, and all of the controls are there. So we can jump up and down, go for a swim. There we go. Enable running mode, and we're off. One minor downside to the device. With two hands, it is sort of quite difficult to get your item out there without things springing back into place accidentally. Okay, your controller has lost connection. Please continue. So I just pressed the button down in the bottom right here, and now we've got the ability to be able to play that disconnected. So we don't have to have the weight of the iPad in here. So we're just playing Minecraft disconnected from the GameSir. Oh, I do like this game though. It's nice and relaxing until the monsters come after you. Let's put the Nintendo Switch in here. So having read the comprehensive instruction leaflet, what you do is you press this button here and you press this button here at the same time, and it will automatically find your Nintendo Switch. So it'll switch between different devices when you press this button here and different control buttons on the right hand side of the unit. So there we go, look at this. Ah, yes, we're all in. We're in like Flynn, as they say. Yeah, Yoshi's Island. Let's play some Mario World. Come on then. Ooh, here we go. Oh, that's for Yoshi. Let's get a mushroom. Yay. But yeah, anyway, as you can see, it's really, really quite easy and good fun to play. There's Yoshi. Come on. Hooray, thank you. Yeah, come on then, mate. Let's go eat some apples. Anyway, enough of me playing. You see, this is what happens. This is what happens. I can just end up sort of sitting here playing games for ages. But yeah, it's really quite intuitive to use. It's not a hardship to use. And again, if you just want to remove, it's weird trying to remove your device from here. That's the only thing I'll say about this, is in order to remove your device, you need like a soft surface, and you need to pull both of these open. Otherwise, and hold on to them, because otherwise what happens is that just slams in there like that. If you just pull your device up, bang, it goes in and it hits the knob here. But anyway, it is what it is, isn't it? So, am I the only person with a stand on the back of my Switch that actually works? Let's fire that up. There we go. We've got our stand. And if you want to play with the Switch outside of the Galileo, because it's Bluetooth, you absolutely can. So no problems there. And it just feels solid. It feels a lot lighter without a device in it. I'd be interested to play it with a phone, but I don't have a very good phone, if I'm honest. Oh, damn it. Killed. Anyway, right. Stop playing games, Howard. Stop playing games. But what a fabulous little device. So let's just get this lot out of the way quickly and do the thing that nobody does. Let's have a look at the manual. So this section of the manual shows you how to connect to an Android device, how to connect to an iOS device, how to connect to a Switch or just general Bluetooth. And turning the page, we also find out that we have turbo function settings so that we can switch on rapid fire. We can adjust key combinations, we can change the A, B and X, Y button positions, and there's also an opportunity to change sticks and trigger calibration. Amazingly, here there's a gyroscope in this device as well. So if you're playing something like a flight simulator and you need to be able to move the entire system in your hands in order to get things to fly around properly, it will cope with with that. But yeah, what a cracking piece of equipment. So when it comes to compatibility, you need an Android device 8 or higher, Nintendo Switch, or an iOS 13 or later versions. And here's the layout of all of the different buttons. There's some interesting buttons on the bottom of it here that I haven't actually had the opportunity to use yet. But I'm really quite impressed with this device. I love the way it feels. I love its functionality. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to getting things in and out of the device safely and happily. But yeah, this is a really nice bit of kit to play with. Just for fun, I thought I'd put this on our kitchen scales. And in terms of weight, we're 315 grams. The other thing I neglected to mention about this unit is there are vibration motors in here, so it will shake. And actually, it's got quite a powerful shake to it. It's almost frightening. A lot of handheld game controllers are so small. They're probably made for smaller hands. I've got slightly bigger hands. So for me, this is a really comfortable fit. As I say, it feels solid. It looks solid. It's got some lovely technology in it. It's a really good gaming controller. Thanks ever so much for sending it in for review, GameSir. This is the G8 Galileo by GameSir. Take care. Have a wonderful week and weekend. Don't forget, give us a good old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and biz, people. Bye for now.